Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we will learn how to draw a beautiful bed step by step. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. First, we will draw the frame of the bed. Start by sketching a horizontal rectangle in the center of your paper. This will be the base of our bed. Next, let's add the headboard. Draw a vertical rectangle on the left side of the base. Make sure it's taller than the base. This will give our bed a sturdy and elegant look. Now draw a shorter vertical rectangle on the right side of the base to create the footboard. This should be about half of the height of the headboard. To add some character to the headboard, draw a curved lines from the top corner meeting at a point in the center. This will give it a nice arched shape. Let's move on the mattress. Draw a slightly smaller rectangle inside the base, making sure it fits comfortably. Add a few horizontal lines within the mattress to give it a cushioned look. Next, we will draw the pillows. Sketch two oval shape on the top of the mattress, leaning against the headboard. Add some lines to shadow the crease and fold of the pillows. Now let's add a cozy blanket. Start by drawing a curved line from the left side of the mattress, draping it over the edge and down to the right side. Add some wavy lines to shade the folds and the blanket. Lastly, add any final touches you like. You can draw a bedside table, a lamp, or some decorative elements or items to enhance your drawing. Be creative and make it your own. And there you have it, a beautiful bed drawing. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy